S is for Steller sea cow. He used to swim peacefully, however his ghost haunts the sea now in the waters off Kamchakta. Sailors like to eat his blubber, burn it in a lamp without too much splutter, but the Steller sea cow's numbers dwindled down to nada. In 1741, history took you into her bosom, but 27 years later, history put you in the frigerator and said, see you later. If you visit the Commander Islands, you will hear something in the silence, echoes of a distant violence written in the sunsets. Sailors in the Bering Strait will always feel the fearsome fatal feeling that the sea cows wait till they get their comeuppance.